Hey guys, welcome back to another video today, and today we will be playing with the fidget spinner. So I just got this like about 5 minutes ago because it's my birthday today, and I just got so excited to play with this, so I got to open it, and I'm just going to show you some tricks that you can do with the fidget spinner, but I haven't spun this yet, so let's just give it a try. Whoa, it actually works, guys. It actually works. Okay, so now I'm going to try. I saw online that people do it like with one finger, like they balance it on their finger while spinning. So I'm going to try it once. Oh God. Wait 1 second. Oh my God. Guys, guys, it broke my computer. So that my computer, it was open, and then it just hit that part of the computer. I gotta get that fixed tomorrow. Okay. These could break something easily, okay, guys? That broke my computer, which is sad. So, oh, and if you want to impress your friend with this, then here's a way. So that you put, like, both fingers on here, then you put your ring finger right here, and then just spin it like that. But it goes a lot slower. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try to do it with one finger. Okay. No, I can't do it. Wait, I'm going to try this. No, I can't do it, guys. Let me... Oh, whoops. Ah! Crap. Ah, no! Wow, it just hit my computer again. So, yeah. Oh, and by the way, let me go get the giveaway. So the giveaway is that if I get up to 20 subscribers, then the 20th subscriber will get a phone. I'm not kidding. It actually works. It is a real phone. It is an iPhone 7, so I'll give it away if you are the 20th subscriber. So please like this video and turn on notifications, and bye. Peace out.